Today we're going to be doing a legs, buns and Tums workout. So I'm going to demonstrate the exercises through. What you're going to be doing is, with the exercise, you're going to do 5 full range reps followed by 5 pulses. And you do that through 4 times. So for example, it'll become clearer as I show you. But you'll do 5 squats, 5 pulses, 5 squats, 5 pulses, 5 squats, 5 pulses, and then you'll rest and move on to the next exercise. So it's not done on time, it's done on reps. Exercise number 1 is going to be a wide squat, so your feet are wider than your shoulder distance. 5 full. And then 5 pulses, so you stay down, only moving an inch for 5. Back to 5 full range. And 5 pulses again. So we're keeping the muscles under tension. Last round. And 5 pulses. Good, shake it off. Moving exercise, which is going to be lunges. So we're here, 5 full range, followed by 5 pulses. So we stay low, 5 full range, 5 pulses. Good, last round, this is a burner. 2, 3, 4, 5, last round of pulses. Good, shake it off again. Moving over to the other side. So, 5 full range, 5 pulses, 3 rounds per exercise. Are we ready? 3, 4, 5, 5 pulses. 5 full range again. 3, 4, 5, 5 pulses. Last round. Stick with it. Last pulses. Ooh. Good, and give it a shake off. Moving down onto the ground for the next exercise, which is going to be a glute bridge. So we're here, hands either on the floor or up here. Hello, take 5 full range. Take 5 pulses, so just keeping it tense. 5 full range. 5 pulses. Really squeezing the glutes as you go. Last round. 3, 2, 1. Last round of pulses. Good. And then between exercises, resting for approximately 10 to 20 seconds before moving into the next round. Next one is for the outer glutes as well as our core. So we're going to do leg kicks. So get yourself comfortable. 5 full range. Followed by 5 pulses. So we're here, just moving a little bit. Keeping everything super tight. 5 full range. Because we're changing it up so commonly, it makes this workout super fun, easy to do by yourself or with someone. Last round of pulses. Good, relax there. 10 to 20 seconds recovery, moving it on to the other side. So 1, 2, so you're always trying to squeeze this as much as you can. 5 pulses, 5 full range, 5 pulses. This really gets you good in the places you're wanting it to. 5 pulses to finish. Good. Last exercise we're going to do is for our tummies, where we're going to do sit up with a crunch. So again, 5 full, 5 pulses. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5 crunches. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to 5 full sets. 2, 3, 4, 5 crunches. Hello. 5 full range. Last round of crunches. And 1, good. I've obviously got a spectator today. And that's your legs, bums and Tums workout complete. Rest for 1 minute when you finish the end of the set and then repeat it through 3 to 4 times. Enjoy!